Swagatam. Welcome to KNS Biochemistry. Namaskar. This is from Dr. K. Narayanaswamy, Associate Professor, Department of Biochemistry, Sri Narayana Guru College, Coimbatore. Today, in this video session, we are going to see about computer networking and topology. It is an area of computer science, and I have tried to make you understand something about networking and topology. So let us begin the session. Namaskar once again. Computer networking. It is the process of interconnecting two or more computers. Why, after connecting them, the users can communicate with each other, they can share resources and overcome other limitations of standalone systems. This network can be established with a variety of combinations of computers, such as a net of only microcomputers and one or more mini computers, and a set of microcomputers connected to a mainframe computer. The computers are connected in a typical networking system. This networking are autonomous in the sense that they have processing capability independent of the network. Advantages of networking. The main advantages are hardware resource sharing, sharing of databases, sharing of software, communication between users, decentralized data processing, security of data. Let us see types of networking. There are three types of networking. First one is called LAN, local area network. Next one is MAN, metropolitan area network. And the third one is WAN, wide area network. Let us see about WAN, wide area network. It is made up of number of autonomous computers distributed over a wide geographical area. It was developed in the late 1960s to enable communication between computer centers and sharing of hardware, software and other communication facilities. In a private network, an organization takes on lease telephone lines to connect such sites into a network. Public networks are installed by the government owned telecommunication agencies. WAN spans large geographic distances. It is also called long haul network. It is operated at lower speeds than the other two. The next one is metropolitan area network, that is MAN. It is a network covers a wide area than a local area network. Usually MAN covers a large metropolitan city and is a scaled down version of WAN. It operates at high speeds over distances sufficient for a metropolitan area. Next one is local area network, that is LAN. A LAN is a system of interconnected microcomputers sharing common resources like disks, printers, etc. and it links a number of computers, workstations. It is an interconnection of computers that need to communicate with each other in a limited geographical area. The network may have other shareable devices attached, such as fax, laser printers, and copiers. The network includes a central facility with huge storage capacity for the requirements of the organization. It also has a network operating system for managing the network. LAN has two main types. The first one is client server LAN. The second one is peer to peer LAN. The client server LAN serves and it is having servers and clients. The server is a computer that manages shared resources, that is hardware and software data. The next one is peer to peer LAN. In this LAN, every computer is equal in status and functioning. All the computers on the network are capable of communicating independently with any other computer on the network without using a server. Any computer on the network can access data and programs stored on any other computer. It is less expensive than the first type LAN, but at the same time this LAN may be slower than the first type. LAN has got topology, an architecture for the interconnection of network component. The design of network requires selection of a particular topology. What is this topology? It is the way the computers are physically connected into the network. The network architecture includes the specifications of the components that can be connected to the network. There are a number of network topologies. They are very popular. Among them, the star, ring, and bus are popular network topologies. Let us see one by one. First one, star topology. In star topology, the nodes are connected to a central computer called the host computer. The nodes cannot communicate directly. Each node can communicate with the host computer. The host computer takes the message and routes it to the other nodes. The host is the main computer to which other nodes are connected by communication links. The host computer is responsible for all the overall functioning of the network. The nodes may be a microcomputer, terminal, or any other device, for example, storage device, printer. The next topology is ring topology. In a ring topology, the computers can communicate directly with each other and also with the central computer. The nodes are connected to a line that is closed like a loop, a central loop. The ring network is having a loop. It is more reliable than star network. Even if the central computer in the network fails, the other computers can communicate with each other. The next one is bus topology. A bus network configures computers to a single non-looping channel. The computers connected to the network share the same bus or communication channel. Bus wiring is easy and needs much less wiring for small segments. In practice, a single topology need not be used. In practical reality, instead of using a single topology, a combination of topologies may be used for greater flexibility and reliability. So instead of using a single topology, a hybrid network topology is used. Hybrid network topology combines features of star topology, ring topology and bus topology. For the flowchart diagrams, you can refer the reference book. After this post video session on networking and topology, I hope that you have understood something about this. So with that hope, let us join our hands to eradicate corona from our country. Be safe home and follow the rules of the government. Keep 1 meter distance at least between the people. Wash your hands frequently and wear the mask wherever you go. So in this lockdown and quarantine period, I hope that this session will be useful for you. Thank you all. Thank you very much. Namaskar. Stay home. Stay always safe. Once again, thank you very much. Jai Hind.